Today we are at State Highway 24 Broadway Level Crossing in Matamata. So this level crossing, saying about a year ago now, was upgraded with the electronic pedestrian gate. So what do we have? We've got two sets. So what do we have? We've got 7 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights. And we've got 4 Western Cullen Hayes E-bells on either side of on either pedestrian maze. So yeah, and we've also got 2 Western Cullen Hayes barrier mechanisms and 4 magnetic autocontrol pedestrian gates too. Now this level crossing up until it was upgraded with the gates had McKenzie and Holland barrier mechanisms. I don't have any footage of them to show you, but I will attach some screenshots from Google Street View now showing what this level crossing used to look like. So yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.